Hi guys, you're probably wondering in what or which season I'm in right now, and I have to say that it's the 5th of April right now, so it's supposed to be spring. I'm in Norway, still close to my cabin, and with today we're going to give a push to the camp up there. I was not expecting to receive another full winter season at this point. We had like 2-3 weeks of sun and warmth. Most of the snow were gone, but hey, we are in the mountains here in Norway, so everything is welcome. But anyway, I just want to share one thing with you guys because I'm so blessed this year. As you probably know, I became a father 4 months ago of my beautiful daughter Lucia, and today my brother called me and my niece arrived to this world. So I want to welcome Anna to this planet, my brother daughter, and I'm so happy for her. I'm so blessed, and literally I became a father this year and also an uncle at the same time. So I'm so blessed. Anyway, I will head up. It's another half an hour hike. I'm not gonna bother you with my hike. Also, remember to subscribe if you're here watching and you're not subscribed yet. Remember to hit the bell so you get notifications when my videos are coming out, and leave a like also, because it's really helping my channel a lot and me personally making more of these videos that I love. Okay, see you soon. Pretty crazy weather today, yeah? Anyway, I just want to take some time now to give a shout out while my fire is picking up to a company that reached me on Instagram. It's actually a very small company, family business I will say, from Pakistan, and they sent me a pretty cool knife. I love knives. Let's say I have many at home, but this one is pretty particular because I will show you. It's a pocket knife, as you can see. It's a Damascus steel. The main characteristic of Damascus steel is the natural pattern that the blade and the metal has. It's really beautiful, and this metal has been used for centuries in the Middle East, Asia, and this is why it's coming from Pakistan. Big shout out to Taha. I leave all the details in the description if you want to reach out to Taha in Pakistan through his Instagram, and tell him that I send you, so he might gonna give you discount. Beautiful knife. So the process seems slow, guys, but believe me, with this kind of snow and not so many dead trees around the camp, it's not easy and it's a hard work, but it's gonna pay off when the sun will melt the snow, and I'll be able to work easily. No complaints though, and let's keep working.